So we bought this property in 2015. My name's Fiona Dunin. I'm Director of FMD Architects. I'd seen the property when I was walking my dog and just came to the auction out of interest, and no one bid on the place. So I bought it on the day without thinking. After we restored the original house, we then did the new renovations and extensions in stages. The first thing we discovered was we had a huge amount of roof space and a great opportunity to build an attic bedroom for my daughter, which, you know, is every child's dream. And so we did that first, and then we extended the bathroom to make a larger family bathroom. And the final stage was the extension at the back to get some north-facing living space. In the original restoration of the house, we were really lucky to have our neighbour Mary, who lives down the back behind us. Her grandfather actually built this house. She came through and was able to tell us what things were like originally, including the dark timber floors in the house and all the dark timber panelling. So we were able to restore those back to what they were. And that dark timber really informed the design strategy through the rest of the stages. When we were designing the third stage, we really wanted to connect the old part of the house with the new, and we really wanted to celebrate the beautiful decorative qualities in the original part of the house. And the key feature would be our pentagonal window seat, which looks onto the garden. And the gardens are all designed by Eckersley Garden Architecture, and the gardens are really quite spectacular and just as important to me as the architecture itself. Each stage of the build did have its own challenges. The first obviously was building in the roof space and living in the house at the same time. Bringing up some steel beams through the house into that roof space was quite a challenge, but we were able to open up part of the roof and slide those through to get those in and carefully balance them so that they also didn't damage our original ceilings, which are all beautifully decorated plaster in the original rooms. When I renovate houses for myself, and this is the third one that I've done, I'm always playing with new materials and testing products that we like to specify. So I think I've tried different timber stains, I've tried different timber finishes in different parts of the house. It's a good opportunity to try new products before we apply them on our clients' houses. And doing that in stages allowed me to sort of really try new products that are coming out as they come out. So doing it over several years really has allowed me to test different products. So the renovation has really created a really flexible house that can see us through our family's needs at the moment, which is having a teenage daughter who likes some space, but at the same time allowing for areas where we can all come together.